Good morning, guys. Good morning. It looks an interesting day. We had a little trade this morning. Could have done much better. But lessons learned this morning. Let's get today because I think we have an interesting situation coming through today. We have a beautiful possibility continuation long, especially because we're closing above this level. For me, crucial level to look for longs. Even yeah, I think it's a good level, that one there. And we can aim for this 179 level there, be aggressive on it today, and let's see what we get. 15, this is the 1 hour chart. If we go to the daily chart, what do we have is that is the previous high week as well, because this was Monday. This is the previous high week. We can grab that week. We can grab it before deciding to go for any other direction. And red one, good morning, guys. We'll look for longs. I'm looking for longs. So if the moment we see some aggressive buying opportunity here, I'm down for it. In 1 more minute, we might look. If I go long here, it's gonna be a little. The retest makes sense, the fact that, but it's too much. I really need this turn back. Thank me later, August. Okay, good luck, man, with your short. I have to remove the notification from my phone. Good morning, Misa, Mohsin. Good morning, Mohammed. I'm looking for longs, not looking for shorts. I will be honest, guys. I'm looking for longs. We are strongly closing above this level. We need to this right now to decide what wants to do. But if we wick down and come back and close above, I will look for longs. I will take longs. Market is opening in 10 seconds, guys. It's gonna be interesting. You cannot see my wait. That's the wrong dashboard there. That's the dashboard below. Market is opening now, right now. Good luck. My quantar will take a little bit of time to catch up on the first seconds of the day. Yes. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay. My idea of long is already flying, but until we didn't touch these highs, let's see how it evolves. Wow. Okay. Okay, market. Okay. My idea of long is gone. Yes. Yeah. What the heck, guys? I just wanted to take a long. And no opportunity for it. We're already taking the highs right now there. That sucks. That freaking sucks. I already taken the highs. We had the right analysis, but this market wants to open and in 10 seconds go higher 70 points. It's insane. I mean, even trying to aggressive here, there is no chance for me, guys. If there was opportunity, I don't know, guys. You're cooked. I'm sorry, man, Paul. Hello, Paul. I saw I had the right analysis. We had the right look. We had the fact that we have to grab the highs. We came lower. We grabbed some more lows. The only direction was the highs for my point, and especially because we were above this level. And look how it came and retested it. It was nailed. This level was nailed. It came, retested. It went above. Where this level came, you have to go to the 1 hour chart and look at which level in in the last period has been used as a resistance and support and week lower and down. So we have taken this week, taken these weeks, we have taken these weeks, we have this week as well. So if we go to the 15-minute chart, we can see it even more resistance and now become support. It sucks as hell because right now we have missed. We missed nothing, but Muhammad shorting. See you, man. Don't need to. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. Guys, I share my analysis in Discord if you're interested to look into it. How I was looking mostly for longs for that previous week high. Right now, there's not that much. Going long right now will be looking. I mean, there is this double top right now. Okay, there is this double top, especially this top did not take in the previous top, but this is all-time high. We're speaking about all-time highs here. Are we far from it? I mean, if we moved with this speed, nothing's far. 190 points from it. There is space, yes, but it sucks. It sucks. Because even right now, if I enter long here, and the first Alaikum salam, Dr. Doki. I got Arjans. If Trump tweets that we will see that time loss. Ah man, it's annoying, you know. We're taking this morning along here during London session. I traded not the best because it was a possible. So here the long, where it could have been this reversal. It could have been aggressive on these. Reversing this 13 minutes candle somewhere here, because I have the 13 minutes candle open here, being aggressive on the reverse of it after the retest. That could have been the way to do this trade, putting along here and be done in like 3 seconds, because I would have risked somewhere lower on the week, $32. I would have been a perfect trade, guys. Yeah, I'm waiting right now to see whatever it's gonna wants to do, but we're flying. Easy, but if I was smart enough, the 30 minutes was the one to look on, the 1 hour or the 1 hour. Same things, 50 minutes or 1 hour. That was no, 30 minutes. No, I said I had to shade 1 hour. 1 hour versus not 30 minutes. So freaking hard. Yeah, and I cannot blame myself in this. Yeah, I agree with you, Nick. So I'm gonna stop blaming myself on the why. If there was a if there was a 5 minutes closure somewhere here, even here, for I had a call on Saturday with other people with Arons, I would have taken the long. Anywhere here, I would have taken the long. Even if it's here, I would have taken the long, because I will give it the space, being a high probability trade. But like this, what the heck can I do? This shit jumped freaking yeah, man. Yeah, we are weak. We don't have to. I don't have to rush it. I mean, at least I'm up at $50 on that day. Crazy. If something shows up, okay, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Crazy. Freaking insane, guys. We have a double top here. We cannot see it here. We have a double top very further away at 387. I mean, it's not that far on these Nasdaq moves. Yeah, nothing is far, but crazy. Wow. Yeah, so this morning I didn't do even that well. I did a mistake here, and then I entered. Something I was supposed to do is taking stupid partial. I was emotional this morning. I don't know. I did not sleep enough. I'm an idiot. I taken the right partial here, or I could have taken full out because anyway I was already almost at 1-to-1 risk reward. Good take profit. Close the day. Don't even look into it anymore. Stopped out in break even. Break even was great. Came out lower. But yeah. Long at 7:30. 7:30. Long at 7:30. 50-minute chart. Let's go check. Let's go check that. Let's check that 50-minute chart. You're mean there. 7:30. Yeah. That looks good, to be honest, because what I see, at least personally, what I see is this support here. Yes, this support here. We faked out all these people that were trying to short against it, came lower, faked out, close above, and a nice long here. I mean, for what I see. And then it goes above, and this is a beautiful entry, especially still looking for these longs. Yeah, that's they faked out so many people. This one, beautiful long here, pushing it higher. Wow. And not for me, then I will say, yeah, look for, oh my god. Yeah, this was the trade I took this morning. Stopped out in break even, came back lower, grabbed more people, bam. Three-minute chart. Ah, freaking hell, insane. Even the first 3 minutes chart was crazy for 80 points. Yeah, today we are gonna snap it accepted out, but yeah. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. How we're reading the chart. The fact that I came this morning and I said, the fact that we came this morning and I said the best trade is look for longs above this 117.75 or whatever I put there. Whatever do I put there? Because I used Trading View before. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is my Discord? I said 103. Oh, it was a little bit lower. I used the one before here. I used this lever here. I didn't use this one. This one is the previous one. Interesting. I used this one before. This one I used in the Trading View. This support here. But we came and retest this one. I'm gonna keep it the 100 here. And then shoot again and get installed. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. It was listening to the great podcast this morning. It was Jade. It was Jade, and he said that for him, he looks for 1-2 trades per week. Similar idea to this concept. He does a lot of liquidity grab. It's true, especially on the daily chart. Many times I checked as well. Yeah, you're right, man. And the fact, for example, is taking these trades and taking them well. Don't bullshit around them. You see a nice setup, you take it. For example, I believe one of his setup will be like these things. Yeah, we grab the lows, there's and he will look for longs to the other side of the previous day. This one, for example, this is another one, or taking these highs and come back to the lows of the previous candle. Maybe he does not take it fully, but he will get a nice setup. But then he goes to low. My God, sorry guys, to lower time frame to define if there is a possible nice entry. But that's what he does. Yeah, but I mean, in general, he looks more for traps as well before taking any trades. Let's go to gold and see what gold is doing there. This is the loss of last week, last Friday. We came back lower. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We grab these lows. Let me remove some lines. I don't like to keep all lines. This one will be more like something like this. This one will be removed. I will put the highs. And this one I cancel it. Can be resistance support in this line. That's what it's fighting right now. But even right now, I don't. It good chance is coming for this double top gold here. It didn't take the previous highs here. We have probably a lot of people coming right now shorting all this downside momentum to get there, and they might look for. I cannot move it where I want, and they might look for this liquidity grab to get growth, to get caught. So a good chance maybe there, but we're gonna leave it play until we see something interesting. Let's go back to Camel Q. A big fail, top shorts and squeezing. I see the big bear flag. Yes, it's a big one. It looks like, yeah, looking for more downside, and then now they're getting clapped. Good morning, Fate. Oh, crazy. So right now we're above this level. The next liquidity grab is in the sky. Is all-time highs at 25,300, 400 almost. New things here, yeah. Well, it's been a week, no less than a week. Tick chart is gone. Tick chart is gone. It's gone. New Hamza, new me, new losing money. 5 minutes entry, yeah, mostly yes. 5 minutes entry. That's because it's first hour. I cannot look for. Yeah, I cannot look for higher time frame when I trade only 1 hour. Even 3 minutes might be an idea. Thinking soon, in the futures. But right now. I will keep going with the 5 minutes. But yeah, looking good, to be honest. 5 minutes. It does not rush me an entry because here. I don't know. I mean, here would have not put me in any entry anyway. Now it will be around $250, $250, $300. That's what it's my stop loss. It's a dollars amount. So if, for example, this 5 minutes candle is that huge, and I'm like, okay, I'm losing $140 if I use one contract. Let me then use 2 contracts here, and I will use, no, sorry. And yeah, I will use 3 contracts, and I will be 260, no, even more. What the fuck? I will use 4 contracts. 4 contracts will allow me $270 loss. That's an idea. No, I trade depending on yeah, MNQ, but depending on the sides of the candle or the stop loss. For example, until here is $210. If my stop loss is here, it's $340. Then I will be like, okay, you know what? I can go 5 contracts. For example, let's say this 5 minutes candle closed here, and I said to myself, this is my stop loss, and it closed somewhere here. I will be like, okay, how much is that? $260 with 5 macros. And if I'm aiming for these highs, that's we're looking at $370 of profit or around that, plus or minus. But $255, okay, it's a good amount of loss. Can maybe go to 6 and I have $300 of loss? Yeah, but that's it. I like to always keep it the same amount at least. Yeah, adjusting to the volume depending on the size and of the stop loss and everything. Right now, there's nothing to adjust. We're freaking flying away. Market is just bullshit. Skyrocket into the sky. This is tomato money. I don't know where is tomato. It's been a while. I've even tagged him to see where he is, but not replied. I will change risk based off, I will say, no, I will say, no, I'm saying the setup will be similar all the time at least. Maybe I would be more confident or less confident, I guess. You'll be like, this is a really A+ setup. If it closes here, I will be like, this is a huge A+ setup. Nice push, holding. Will I risk more than $300? I don't think so. I don't like to risk more than 300 no matter what. Risk less if I'm like risk less, maybe in a way that, let's say I was aggressive. Let's say, for example, here I take it in and I'm like, freaking hell, the 5 minutes is still not closed, but the hour is looking great, the 15 minutes is looking great. Maybe I risk 2 macros. I risk less because the candle is still not closed. I will say I will risk it on that case, that way. Yeah, I get your point on pushing when the market give you the best edge. And right now I have shit, guys. Shit. Nothing at all, guys, nothing at all. I'm looking at gold, to be honest, but still 8 minutes for this 50 minutes candle to close. So I'm gonna wait for gold to be closed. I will show you. Let me get clapped again by gold. I'm just waiting for this 15 minutes candle to be closed somewhere here. I'm waiting for this 15 minutes candle to close. This, I think, it will be a good trade setup. We liquidated the previous, we're holding the level, but I need this candle to close. Yes, I mean, it's closing with the 5 minutes, but I like the 15 minutes first to be closed as well, to give me some more confirmation. Then I might look for longs here. But I will give it the time to finish that closing candle. 7 more minutes for it. It does look good, especially if it closes above that level and support. I'm happy to take it. What is the strategy now? It's mostly liquidity grabs, waiting for liquidity grabs, or not waiting for liquidity grabs. Yes, waiting for liquidity grabs, and as well looking for liquidity grab. For example, here we had a level to hold. We had a liquidity grab. We shorted, never got grabbed, shorted again. People that were shorting here had their stop loss here above. And I was like, okay, as well in the 15-minute chart, we came lower, we grabbed more lows. Like this low here was grabbed, even this 15 minutes, previous 15 minutes was grabbed as well. And my side, I was like, okay, let's wait for a 5 minutes candle to close anywhere here before the next level, and we go long. But unfortunately, the shit skyrocketed. the shit decided, hey, you know what? I don't need to wait for you. I will go to the sky without you. I will go. See you. See you the other side. Oh, this freaking NQ, guys. Oh my guys, I was like saying, can we grab the all-time highs? Guys, we're not far. We're not far. We're not far from all-time highs, and it's there. This was the all-time highs at 23,393, and it seems a lot, but that is 170 points. And 170 points in Nasdaq, we have seen them be previously happen before. Are we gonna do it today? I don't freaking know, but that was the best move today. This would have been even better. Nick said it. It's even better. Look at this beautiful hour chart closing strong. This was a beautiful reverse. If I had, the only way I could have taken this trade, guys, today was this. This hour candle going lower, retest the level, and turning. Enter. Entry was here. Entry was here. And then you will go for it. That's the only way this trade could have been taken, at least for my personal opinion. But I did not. I was looking at the 5 minutes. It just skyrocketed. There is nothing much to do. But this was the possible trade. The other trade was here. If you wanted to, and you will be getting out anywhere we are closing below this level. This is another good trade, but yeah, it's learning process still for me. So the fact that I miss a trade like this is not a problem. It's a learning process, especially because it's been only less than a week I've been using these things. But that's great. I'm just happy that I see stuff that I was not able to see before. Yes, I mean, it could have been a risky trade. It could have been a risky trade. I mean, you would have taken it with a risky approach. Maybe less sides, risk less. I would say that. That will be a case of lower your sides. For my SFD. Oh, that makes sense, Bogdan. Yeah. It's, and for me in that case, if I entered in a reversal of a 1 hour candle, I would have not used the same sides of being like closing a 5 minutes candle. I don't know. I don't think it was a valid setup. We're above the level, for my personal opinion. Above the level, we grabbed some lows on the 15, and getting a reversal and hold there of that level. I think it's a great risk, for my personal opinion. This is a grab. This is a grab. We grab these lows. We grab these lows. These are lows that have been grabbed. 1 and 2. This is Aaron teaching. This is 50-minute chart. This is 15-minute chart. It happened in seconds, but it happened. It doesn't matter how long it took it happened, but it happened. A grab usually it's seconds. The fact that it skyrocketed in seconds, but it's not my fault. That it's not something. The fact that it's skyrocketed in seconds, that's it. But it's not. the fact of a grab is of taking the previous lows or the stop loss of the people that had their stop loss there. If it happens in second, doesn't matter if it happens in second. Most of the grabs are seconds. Everyone that went long here that has stop loss here. Everyone that long here has the stop loss here. It doesn't matter. It's each candle can be your stop. Each candle can be a stop loss. How many people can enter and enter? And man, no chance. That's what I'm learning. Your strategy is your strategy. I can say there was a dog here barking, and you tell me no bullshit. That's what I trade right now. No chance. I don't know. Fucking no. This is a liquidity grab. 5 minutes. You can use it aggressively. This is, for example, you can use it as a 5 minutes grab. People that long here, probably they have a stop loss below these 15 minutes. You can be aggressive if you have a strategy around that shit. How do you know no one is, all the people that were buying here? How do you, if these candles are going up, someone is buying, man. If these candles are not going up, how the fuck they're going up if they're not buying? Man, that's you're looking for a why of some people doing it. I don't give a shit. If there are some people here buying, and they have the stop loss here. Some people are buying here. They have stop loss here. For example, for this gold, I would have looked for longs here, but we had to close the 50 minutes strong above. But it's the same things here. If you go to the 1 minute chart, you can see this. You can see probably similar things. You can be like, people bought here, they got stopped out, people bought again for continuation higher, they got stopped out. All these people that were looking for ultima, the push above here to grab it, all these people got stopped out. I mean, yeah, this is on a 5 minute time frame, but then you go to the 1 minute, the lower time frame and everything. Okay. Because from my point, any loss is someone getting stopped out, and it's true. There are orders everywhere here in the market. Every low is a stop loss, is a stop out. People can buy, and then they put their stop loss here, or they had their stop loss there. But this is a 50 minutes low getting taken out. Same probably on, I don't know, 50 minutes? I don't think so, was it? No. You're trying to piss me off. No, I'm just joking with you. No worries. This market is not... The only things I'm looking at was this gold short, but after we did not hold that level, not even. Yeah, I see your point. Mm. 10.05. I will see, man. I will check. I will ask that question of the bearish candle. Can be a bearish candle a grab? Still believe it can, no matter how where it closed. I think you're, for my personal opinion, every candle, no matter where it's bearish and its candle can have their stop loss here, no matter how much close it closed. This is a grab, no matter what, it's a grab. It's true that you can have more grabs, but you're not gonna take every grab. The fact that I look for is more like, okay, we grabbed, we have faked out all these people, we even grabbed this 50 minutes candle, we closed above, that's looking interesting. I like it more. We can back above. I love the idea of being long above this level. An opportunity for me, but that was a good, even more for me, that if we close above strong and we have one 50 minutes candle getting taken out, that's more interesting for me. As long as 142 at 930, you piece of crap. Good job, man. 142 is you here. Very good job. I wish I was there with you, man. 167. That was a quick scalp. 25 points. Good job, man. We're skyrocketing. All-time highs is there at 393. And there's not much to see. Okay, I save the screenshot, I take note of it, and I'm looking, not that much, guys, by the way. This is things that's going to the sky. Unfortunately, that's what it is. Let's maybe look at the 1 minute chart for curiosity. Freaking 1 minute candle here, crazy. 61 points. Crazy candle. Crazy freaking candle. Came back, boom. Now just making a higher high. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Let's go to gold. Gold. Only things in gold, it's really if we come back above this level. Right now we're just selling, and it's annoying as hell because that's yeah. So you're done with trading, Mufti? Yeah, my energy now is low. I'm loving this gold right now. 50 minutes candle closing in 5 minutes. If we close this nicely strong above this area, I will look for longs. It will be a little bit aggressive. 50 minutes looking strong will be very nice. The 1 hour, previous 1 hour was taken out, even if it was a red candle for Nick. But yeah, looking, if we close above that, no FOMO, man. No FOMO, that's okay. No worries. If I was forming, I would have taken already 20 trades in the first 40 minutes. Just waiting for this 50 minutes candle to close in 3 minutes and 13 seconds. But we really need to close. Yeah, we need to close above that. 4,328 in 3 minutes. Nice push there. Nicely pushing in gold. Sorry. How is going? 1 more minute and 40 seconds. So we have time to see how these 15 minutes wants to evolve in gold, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Can I say that? I was this NQ just did not give us any chance. The good side is that we had the right analysis, at least. We had the right level above to look for, and it just this market is just too much. Too much these days. 50 minutes candle closing right now, very bullish. If I enter right now, somehow I would love a 50 minutes first retest, and I will take the switch of it, and I will give myself stop loss. Yeah, I will give myself any closer below this level on the 5-minute chart. Look, Nasdaq is looking for all-time highs for real, man. Candle closing in right now in the 50 minutes. It would be nice to have a wick lower before going higher. We'll see for that if it counts. If not, I'm not gonna take the trades. If it skyrocket without me, I'm in peace. I'm in peace today. It's already moving higher, guys. Look at that. For the moment, it's nicely pushing. The entry straight away, I was hoping for at least a week on the 50 minutes. It's not happening. Let's see. We have time. It's still not closed, but we'll figure it out soon. Mostly the idea comes from this hour chart again. Resistance, support, resistance. So it would be nice to see this candle closing above on the hour chart. So that is kind of a gamble. So you're looking for this hour to be strong. It's 30 minutes. We grab the previous one. The same things for the hour. Grab the previous 30 minutes there. And right now, let's see what it wants to do. If it wants to come back and retest the 11, I will be happy to go for longs. Gold, no gold, MNQ, just flying, not just flying away. There's nothing easily done. Even entering aggressive on disclosure, then you will be done in the first 10 minutes if this thing skyrocket because of liquidity grab. It doesn't make sense to risk it that much. We'll wait. If not today, we have done $1,000 at least, and we will take it that way. And Q coming lower. Do we have something in MQ around that level on the hour chart? Mostly this one. This one, nah, this one is the most clear one. Is the one above here, 255. Yeah, nothing, guys. Freaking gold does not want to give it to us. I was hoping for. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this because I want to take. Let me take a screenshot of this trade. If that's the idea, long here. at closing of the candle. What time is it? It is 10:15. No, 10:20. Today is 10:20 October. New York Open. Yeah, perfect. Close, save it. Save it there. Could have been a more aggressive? Yeah, I think so. Could have been a more aggressive, but freaking peace and love. Right now, it's already good that I'm seeing the right things. So this was, I believe, it's a nice long up to these highs. That's a nice trade there, but if it wants to do it without me, let it go. And I'm already pissed today, so I can close this live session. It's gone. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I have to really learn the fact of being more aggressive on taking these trades when I'm like, it was a nice closure, liquidity grab, and closes especially above the level. Nice long there. Risk could have been 2 contracts, like I said. $230 there. Could have been taken out, but yeah, I'm pissed today. Fuck off. I'm done. See you tomorrow, guys.